Hello friends, today we are going to talk about vaccinations for adults and senior citizens. We all have heard about vaccines every now and then, but for children. But we don't hear about vaccinations for adults and senior citizens. This topic is extremely important, but at the same time this is extremely neglected. Today, we will break this topic into 5 parts. We will see how important it is and why it is important for adults and senior citizens to take vaccines. Second, we will see why it is a neglected topic, at least in India. Why many adults are not going and taking the vaccines. Third, who are the adults who need vaccines? Fourth, in this corona time, in this corona pandemic, how important is the vaccination? And the last point we will touch upon is which are the vaccines all adults must take. Let us come to the first topic. How important it is to vaccinate the adults and senior citizens. I will tell you one thing. If I let you know about a policy, health policy, which is the simplest, the most effective and at the same time the least expensive policy for maintaining your health, for preventing the disease, not like Mediclaim, which is important when you get ill. So this is a policy which prevents the disease and which is that simple, effective and least expensive policy, and that is vaccination. The 20th century has seen the most important advance of the medical science, and that is vaccines. Now let us see which are the diseases the vaccine would protect us from. First and foremost is the infectious diseases. So the vaccine will protect us from flu, vaccine will protect us from pneumonia, vaccine will protect us from chickenpox, vaccine will protect us from meningitis, encephalitis and so on and so forth. It is not important that vaccine protects us from disease and the complications thereof and the morbidity which the person goes through. When you get the disease takes away the toll on your work, the absenteeism from your work, the expenses you incur on treatment of the disease. Not only this is important, it is also important to know that you can spread the disease to your near and dear ones, the children in your family, the old age people in your family, and it could be catastrophic for them to have the disease. Not only it protects from the diseases we have enumerated, there are so many diseases which were initially seen in only children, like say chickenpox, like say diphtheria, say pertussis. All these diseases are coming up more and more in adults. So it is all the more important that we vaccinate all adults and senior citizens. So is it that vaccine protects us from only the infectious diseases? Not really. There are non-communicable diseases which are not caused by any infection. Even vaccine gives protection for that. It is seen that those adults who don't take flu or pneumococcal vaccines are more prone to develop heart diseases, more prone to develop paralysis, that is stroke. It is seen in one of the studies that if you have taken a flu vaccine, the chances of yours getting heart attack decreases by 36%. And if you have taken flu vaccine, the chances of stroke decreases by 17%. It is also seen in various studies that those who have not taken flu or pneumococcal vaccines, they have increased chances of paralysis and stroke. Not only increased chances, but also the recovery from paralysis is decreased, is delayed. So we have seen that vaccine protects us from infections, vaccine protects us from heart disease and paralysis, and third, the most important, vaccine protects us from cancers. Vaccine can protect you from liver cancer, it can protect you from oral cancer, anal cancer, it can protect females from the cervical cancer. So all these are the advantages of taking vaccines. Then if it is so important that vaccine is so important, prevent so many diseases, then let us come to our second topic as to why the vaccine is not so popular in adults and senior citizens. Why so many people are not taking vaccines? Why vaccination of adults and senior citizens is a neglected topic? I'll tell you one survey. People who were surveyed, they were asked, what are the priorities of life for you? You will be surprised, 500 from those 1,000 people said that keeping healthy is their one of the first 3 priorities in their life. So 500 people thought that they should remain healthy, they should remain fit, they should remain free of the diseases. Then they were asked as to what you are doing to keep yourself healthy. The answers were diet, we are taking the healthy diet. 2, we are doing the exercises regularly. 3, we have quit smoking. And 4th, we are avoiding alcohol. So these are the 4 things they were doing to keep themselves healthy. But you will be surprised to know that 98% of those who wanted to keep themselves fit even didn't know about the vaccines. That vaccine is one of the way to keep you healthy. Why? Because they were not aware of it. So lack of awareness is the most important factor as to why the adult vaccination is neglected. There are other reasons. The second reason is the universal program of immunization. We all hear it for children. Government of India has a beautiful and most popular program on immunization for children, that is universal program of immunization. No such program for immunization is available to adults. Third, you might laugh at it, that many adults are afraid of taking injections. Yes, this is one of the reasons. You can hold a child forcefully and give him the injection, the shot of the vaccine. You can't do with the adult. So that is one of the reasons. The 4th most important reason why adults don't take vaccine is there are a lot of misconceptions, lots of myths about vaccine in the population. People think that as a child I got the vaccination, what is the need now? No, it is not so. As you age, your immunity starts decreasing. It is called the immunosenescence. As you age, as you become old, your immunity also becomes old and it decreases. So it needs few shots to make it strong. Another misconception, that there are so many side effects of the vaccine. Many people don't believe that vaccines are efficacious. Then people think that vaccines would decrease my immunity. Few people think, they have the wrong notion that I don't get lot of infection every year, so my immunity is strong, and why do I need vaccine? So these are all the misconceptions revolving around the vaccines, and these are the reasons why adults don't take vaccines. The third topic of discussion today is who should take the vaccines. Which adults and which senior citizens should take vaccines? Let me tell you clearly that vaccination is needed for all adults. Everybody, however fit and however healthy he might be, he needs vaccine. The second group who needs vaccine and which is extremely important for them is called as at-risk individuals. Which are the at-risk individuals who need vaccine all the more? Individuals which are more than 65 years of age, individuals who have any heart disease, individuals who have any lung disease like they have asthma or chronic bronchitis, individuals who are obese, individuals who haven't taken vaccination in the past, individuals who have any chronic disease in their body, liver disease, kidney disease, all these people are high risk. Why they are called high risk? Because these people are more likely to get infections, and if they get infections, they are more likely to become serious and they have more chances of losing the life. So these at-risk individuals must be protected immediately. The third group which needs vaccination is pregnant ladies. It is extremely important that every pregnant lady gets vaccinated, because it is not for only her protection, it also protects the newborn child. The fourth group, which you might be aware of, are international travelers. If you want to go to another country, each country has its own schedule of vaccination, and they tell you that you have to take these vaccines if you want to travel to our country. So these are four groups of people which need vaccination as an adults and senior citizens. The fourth topic of discussion today is, in this corona time, how important is adults and senior citizen vaccination? Corona is an infection we are all afraid of, but when corona infection occurs in lung, there is something called as co-infection. What is co-infection? Along with corona, some other virus or some other bacteria gets into your lung and it becomes a co-infection. There are two infections existing together. When there is a co-infection, the person becomes critical. So a patient of corona, if gets co-infection, becomes more serious and there are increased chances of death in him. It is seen that more than 30% of corona patients who are admitted to the hospital have co-infection. So it is very important that we protect them from flu and pneumonia. So these two vaccinations are extremely important in this corona pandemic. Fifth, last topic is which vaccines we should all take. The two vaccines which are most important and everybody should take are flu vaccine and pneumococcal vaccine. Other vaccines which are extremely important are Tdap vaccines, then MMR vaccine, typhoid vaccine, hepatitis vaccine and chickenpox vaccine. So I hope that the vaccination of adults and senior citizens will be taken by you as a serious topic. It is a giant step for protecting and boosting your immunity and getting away from the disease in the first place. So I hope that you all will go to the hospital and vaccinate yourself. Thank you.